This video is going to show you how to make easy cinnamon fried donuts. This is Pillsbury cinnamon roll dough. Comes in a little cylinder. Also has the icing with it. What we're going to do is we're going to deep fry them in vegetable oil. I have about 8 cups of vegetable oil in here heating up. You want it to be 375 before you put them in, and we're going to do 4 at a time. Okay, you need to heat the grease up to 375. You can use a candy thermometer like this. Make sure it's up to temp. Or you can do it the old-fashioned way and do our bread test. Just have it a minute on one side. Flip it over. About a minute on the other side. See how it's getting golden brown? That means your grease is up to temp. Or you can use a Fry Daddy. You know, you can regulate the heat on that. See how nice and golden brown that is? That's the way you want your donuts to be. So, we're going to put our little cinnamon roll in there. Flop it in. Going to put 4 in at a time so they have plenty of room. I think we can put 6 in actually. We'll do 6. They got plenty of room. And just let them fry up. Because you want to make sure that they're done in the middle too. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Just flip them all over. See how golden brown they're getting. Zoom in. Getting golden brown. Okay, it's been 4 minutes on both sides. So now we're going to take them out. Put them on the rack so they can drain the grease off and cool. Then we're going to have to wait a couple minutes for our oil to get back up to temperature again, because you don't want to put the next batch in before the grease is hot, because then they'll get burned on the outside and be doughy in the middle. So you want to make sure after each time that you let your grease get hot again. Okay, all our cinnamon roll fries are done. I put the icing that the cinnamon rolls had in the package in the microwave for 20 seconds. So it's like a glaze now. We're just going to glaze all of them so it can soak in. Get them all nice and glazed. After they're all glazed, just let them sit for a little bit so that all soaks in. And you have easy cinnamon roll fries. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes.